She calls me day and night.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So wow, it actually feels like it's been a minute since I've actually sat down and even did an introduction or anything. So hi. Today I'm actually going to be talking about my hair. So during these last couple months, I've actually been trying to step up what I do with my hair, less than just doing the regular, hairstyles that I was doing when I was going to school or physically on my campus, but now just trying out different hairstyles that I actually always wanted to try. And one of them being long down to your butt faux locks. So I'm actually going to be doing a very quick tutorial on how I achieved this look and how I feel about it overall. So naturally I have 4C hair, and it took me a minute to learn exactly what it is that my hair needs in order for it to grow. But when I did, my hair just grew. I don't know how to explain it any other way. It just took off. I didn't have to do much to it. It just grew. So in order for my 4C hair to grow, I need to leave it alone. I do protective styles for about 10 months of the year, and I let my hair out for 2 months sporadically throughout the year. Collectively it comes up to 2 months for my hair to breathe. But mainly I can't touch my hair. I can't do too many different hairstyles with my hair out. I can't do ponytails with extension hair, or my hair's just gonna be like, no, leave me alone. So because I do a lot of protective styles, I try to find different ones that I can achieve at home by myself that isn't going to be too cost effective and allows me to look good still. So one of them that I've been dying to try and actually got to this time was my faux locs. I don't know why I keep picking it up, like, I don't know. Anyways, so I'm actually going to do a quick tutorial on how I achieve these. So let's get right into that. Okay, so the first motion I do is I lock both the faux loc and my hair through a loop and pull, and then I proceed to wrap the faux loc around my natural strand. Okay, lastly, after I tie a knot connecting the top and bottom faux lock, I then wrap the end pieces around both strands, and then I kind of do like a swift motion with my hands to lock them together. Okay, so far I actually quite enjoy this hair. It was very easy to manage, and when having to wrap around my hair, once I got the hang of it, it was golden. I didn't have to worry too much. The only thing that I will say is that as your hair grows out from the root, the dreads themselves start to feel a little heavy. It's not anything serious, it's just that, you know, you notice it. So that's the only thing I will say with this hair. But overall, I'm pretty okay with this hairstyle. I actually like it, and I think I'm going to do this again. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.